In this video, we are going to take a look at how to search and register for classes using Student Planning and RVC software self-service. So we will start on our website, rockvalleycollege.edu. Next, we'll click on the My RVC tab at the top. We'll scroll down and click on Online Services and click on Self-Service. You will log in with your RVC student ID number and password. We'll click on Student Planning. In the Student Planning tab, you'll be able to see if you are currently registered for any classes for the semester. If you are registered for classes, they are green. If you see any yellow classes, that means you have just planned them but have not officially registered. This also has a View My Progress towards your degree and a Plan and Schedule option. So today I'm going to search for a section of English 101 or Composition 1. So in the search box, I'm going to type in ENG space 101 and hit enter. In this area, we'll now be able to read any course descriptions, prerequisites, meaning classes that you have to test out of or take first to be able to take this course, how many credit hours a class is, etc. So now I can either view available sections. On the left, I can filter my results, so if I just want to look at fall credit, I can click that on. View available sections. When I click that on, I will be able to see all of the sections that are available, whether they're full, waitlisted, etc., any fees that may be associated with this class, who's teaching, etc. If I want to add this class to my plan, I can either add the section to my schedule or add a course to my plan. If I choose this route, I will have to go into the Dropbox and hit Fall Credit 2022, Add to Plan. Next, I will need to go back to my Planning Overview, and then to Plan and Schedule. So once I'm in this screen, I can check all of the sections available for English 101. Note that this class has multiple sections and has 8 pages that I will be able to take a look at. So if I scroll through the sections, a lot of these seem to have a wait list, but if I hover over this one that still has 16 seats available, if I click that on, Add Section, and now it is on my schedule. So I can go through this process for all of the classes I'm interested in for the fall semester. And then I can either register for each class individually or hit register now. For the fall and spring, this will allow you to register for up to 18 credit hours as long as you have met the requirements for the class and as long as there are seats available. So let's go ahead and register, and you'll see that planned class changes from yellow to green, and that means that I am officially in the class. If I wanted to check my schedule, I could go to print. And now I'll be able to see that schedule in this area. You can either print your schedule or you could take a picture or a screenshot. If I decide I'd like to change my schedule, I can hit drop, select my reason, perhaps I changed my mind, and update. And now I'll be able to go in and remove this from my calendar. If I want to remove English 101 altogether from my plan, I'll just X out and remove. This is how you can register for classes using Student Planning in self-service. If you have any questions, you can contact RVC at 815-921-4000.